Hey guys, me and Taylor are going to do a match online. Elimination Tag Tornado. Let's hope I kick some ass and enjoy the game commentary, because I know I will.
And here we go with our Elimination Tornado Tag match. All four competitors are in the ring, and all four are legal. Big move coming. Wow! Unbelievable impact there. What a heads-up move from Pat. Jump of pass. The range of emotions here is startling. There's almost an unknowing of what to expect. Well, that'll send you to the chiropractor. What a match this is going to be.
Let's try again, Dan.
Look at this. Huge impact delivered to the net.
I'm sorry for being so laggy, because shit really.
The advantage and maintain control. Huge move. Oh man, his feet fired up. Watch it. This is what WrestleMania is all about, ladies and gentlemen. The passion, bleeding your body, heart, and soul in the ring. Just a pass. Oh no! WrestleMania is such a huge event. Many superstars have been here already.
Sorry for the brightness being a bit too high, so yeah.
That Irish whip was delivered with tremendous aggression. Oh gosh, there's no telling how much damage that did. Into the sleeper hold, cutting off the flow of blood to the brain. Watch it. And he powers out. Just think about what it would mean to these competitors to win here tonight. On the grandest stage of them all.
Just gonna keep doing the same move to him.
Watch out here. And there's the face buster. Hey. You know, there's just so much at stake for these teams in this match. A win in this one is absolutely huge. Uh-oh. Oh, man. He got turned inside out. This match has been 100 miles an hour since the opening bell. Oh, no! Oh, man! How do you beat an opponent that can do that to you? Graciously physical match these gladiators have put each other through. The intensity of this has been incredible. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Amazing move. And he hits the pile driver. Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. Oh, yeah. Shoulders down. Here's a kick out by the Nightmare. What's he gonna do here? Watch this! And now, looking to put him away. And again, the mind games are played. Here's that nice downward spiral. And we know what this is. nightmare. One, two, three.
I pinned him, and Taylor gets the other dude.
We saw it all in this match, King, and those repeated blows to the skull have definitely taken their toll. Whee! Broke the skull, but it definitely took a lot of damage. Uh-oh, this is bad.
Basketball.
And there's some more emotion on display. Shiny wizard. The head was exposed and nearly got taken off.
Oh yeah, thanks. Just let me, you know.
Great counter. Oh, look at this. Huge power move. Oh my gosh. Great move off the top rope. Oh my, almost took their head off. The masked man caught him. Incoming. That was absolutely a thing. Oh, this isn't good.
Speed.
And the taunting continues. Nice reversal.
Watch this. I'm doing the rock him elbow. I bet he's gonna pick him up while I go running. And man.
Just writhing in agony. Look out!
No.
Poetic justice. Ah! Devastating damage to the upper vertebrae. Bang! He's going for it again. That's it. He's done. Bingo. Big move coming. Spear! Wow! They might be broken in two!
And I'm just messaging him.
How you missed the physical move that quick? Whoa, whoa! Oh my God, bodies are everywhere! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Good grief! watch it. You gotta be kidding me. Devastating. Simply devastating.
I'm gonna try end it before the timer runs out on the YouTube thing.
His shoulders are down. One, two, three.
Hey!
Amazing win.
Being a bit too high because I'm using the webcam obviously, but we win. And how many points did we both get? I'll probably get like 500 and something, but I know I'm on level 7 gold. I'm sure of it. Yep, level 7 gold. 159 points I've got, and Taylor got 703. Right, thank you for watching the match. Good night and God bless.